Good morning. Yet another Monday morning. We are back to normal scheduling. This is generally not what happens, where a car will come in and it puts the schedule in a completely different routine, I would say. I don't know why I'm struggling for words this morning. We've got the M340d in for a minor correction. It's having wheel coatings, glass coatings, paint coating obviously, so wax is dead ultimate plus. Take us about 3 days and then 4 days with the curing. Obviously any professional coating shouldn't just go straight out. We know people that will do this in 2 days, let the car out, and then the coatings fail because they've not been cured without getting wet, if that makes sense. So they can't get wet within a certain time. That's any decent professional coating would need proper curing, so 48 hours generally is what we do. I can't remember what issues were with this one before when I inspected it, but I will take you around and see what we can find. The Porsche Panamera is ready to go. I'm hoping that gets picked up this morning. Yeah, we are behind on videos in the sense of I've got 4 others lined up before these two, mainly because I am too exhausted in this for the hours it takes to edit a video. I'm talking 4 to 6 hours, maybe more, depending on how I'm feeling. It's me that does everything, so I'm doing the work, I'm doing the editing, I'm doing the website, everything is me. So you can imagine I'm exhausted. I've not had a break since February. Bear with me. If you do like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. As every channel on YouTube, it's something like 80% of watchers don't subscribe. It does mean a lot. It helps the channel grow, which I can then put more, I wouldn't say time, but I can try and make a bit more effort. Not that I already don't. It's just really bad conversation. You can probably understand when you're doing 60 plus hours here, going home, editing videos is probably, my arm is aching. It's probably the last thing on anyone's mind to do. So yeah, please, if you do like them, if you don't, even let us know. What don't you like? You know, constructive criticism is always welcome. You know, if you see something that we've done and you go, oh, I wouldn't do it that way, let us know. We might be able to tell you why it's a better way, or you could tell us the other way. So who knows? Anyway, some B-roll on this, and yeah, catch you at the end. any availability. I'm booking into the new year, so my dates are very limited. It would be that Tuesday at the earliest.